Wagwan viewers and subscribers, I don't know, your boy Rush. Now we're here with another great episode on Rushie's Kitchen. And with me is my host, my co-host, my great co-host, Trudy. Wagwan.
Hi, Rushy.
Yeah, you're good?
Yes, I'm good.
Yeah, man. And today, on this great episode, what we are going to do Pina Colada. So I say we're going to do Pina Colada. So stay tuned.
Hold on, you're going to the dance and the song for us too?
No, we're not doing no fun like that.
You're just going to move straight into
yeah, man, so we're just going to go straight into the video.
Okay.
So, here we go now. Right in front of us, we have all of the great ingredients and things to make a great pina colada. A lot of persons don't know, again, so they can make pina colada in their kitchen. We come to show now the versatility of myself and my co-host. So, right in front of us, we have pineapple juice where we serve this morning and right before the video. So, fresh pineapple juice, not store-bought. You can go store still, but I just decided to make it from scratch. And I added 2 scoops of sugar to make it kind of sweet.
A little bit sweet.
Yeah, a little sweet. We have a pineapple right there, so small pineapple chunk. So we're going to dash some of that in it to get extra slushiness out of it. And it couldn't be pina colada without cream of coconut. And don't get it twisted, don't get it mixed up. Cream of coconut is different from coconut cream.
I was about to ask.
Yeah, so
what is the difference?
The difference is cream of coconut is actually sweetened cream of the coconut, that white part of the coconut. Sometimes when you buy coconut milk in the can, you see it's settled on top. So that is, and so they.
So it's the cream that they process and
yes,
add
and
flavor.
So this is
to it.
similar to condensed milk, as we call it, tin milk.
In terms of the texture?
In terms of texture, sweetness and everything. So just as how they would sweeten the condensed milk, the cow's milk, and we call it condensed milk, this is like the sweetened version of coconut
milk.
Exactly. And the coconut cream is different. That is the white part of the coconut juice that you normally see.
So it's not the same coconut that I get from market.
Well,
and just grater and just juice.
It's the same thing, because if the one from the market, if you grate it and use the juice and thing, you will say, if you allow it to settle, you would the cream come up on top.
So I can
basically
use that
the same
cream to make the pina colada, or does it have to be cream of coconut?
Well, basically use cream of coconut. It's
Okay.
sweetened and thick already and everything. So
Okay.
this, I think it kind of hard to get still. Yeah, kind of hard to get. But we source it nonetheless. If you go in most of the major supermarkets across the island, you can get that.
Mega Mart and so on.
Yeah, man, all of them. Cocomania.
Coconut rum.
Yeah, man. Rum off in anything. Me choose Cocomania because I want the extra coconut flavor there. You can use whatever you want.
White rum.
To give any white rum or any form of rum. Me use Cocomania because as I say, the extra coconut want to come out. Yeah, man, inside of it. Yeah. So
anything else you'll be adding to
and
colada?
we have ice. We're going to add the ice to it. Because it wouldn't be a pina colada without the ice in it. That gives it the slush, the coolness, everything that you normally get with a pina colada. Yeah. So, tune in. Now, first order of business, before we start, we have to add the ice. So we'll add the ice to the blender. Alright, good. Now, this is about 2 cups of pineapple juice, as I said earlier. Go ahead and we'll add all of that. This is a semi-frozen pineapple chunks. So we're gonna add some of it, as I said earlier, for extra slushiness. We'll add a couple of those. Right? Now, the cream of coconut, we have it in this jar. This is about 2 cups or so. Sorry, not 2 cups, about 2 ounces or just over 2 ounces. Right. Now we have a rum right here, so. Cocoa Mania. And I want to go ahead and add about 2 quarters. You can add any amount you want still. 3 for good luck, that's all.
Yes, man.
Alright. So good. Now, we go ahead and we're gonna blend this now. For maybe about 1 minute or so. Alright. The creaminess.
That smells so good.
Yo, the coconut rum and everything else just a shock out in it right now. So I get another small blend again. All finished, all done. We'll go ahead now.
And serve.
Serve well chill. How simple it is, you can do this in the comfort of your home. You don't have to go out and buy it and pay expensive amount of money for it. You can do it right from inside the kitchen. So Trudy, you know what, a sample? Are you ready, you know, man?
Yeah, that may wait for a long time.
Oh, that may wait for you to say no.
If you like Pina Colada,
Oh,
again caught in a
folks, you hear my big singer over there? Yeah, man, so take a sample.
Alright, thank you very much.
So you taste that creaminess, you taste every ingredient in it, right?
You need to go work on hotels.
Soon.
You need to go work on
My work there in my head, man.
This is bad.
Yeah. So,
We're gonna have nothing for you.
so hear me say no, folks. You see, if you want to try the ingredient as me, well, if you want to try this Pina Colada in your home, free to do so. Just get all of the ingredients them and have a fret about anything else. So, that wraps it up for we in a Rushies kitchen. Everything good, everything simmer down.
Tastes nice though.
Rama shock out. Yeah, man. So, folks, thanks all for all your support. Thanks for your subscription. All of no views, all of no comments. I see them, you know. And for the persons that asked me if I start cooking. Yeah, man. My pot's don't go on for fire, man. Best sort out some stuff first. And then pot can go a road. Pot can dip on the seat till pot land. So, just go and support same way. Just go and watch all of the videos them same way. And yeah, man, we just go and give you some drinks, juice, punch videos, and then 1 week you know, just see me jump out with some cooking. So we go and brace yourself for that. Just sort out some things and we get down in the meat of the matter a few weeks from now. So, folks, there you have it. We have everything here. Pina Colada nice. We're going to intoxicate myself and now. Not buy much.
That's why you're easy to drunk.
Yeah, I chose the favorite juice still, you know. Or cocktail, I should say.
Yeah.
Everyone should buy it.
Colada.
If she even have to spend $2,000 on it, she go spend it.
This was my recommendation, so thank you so much.
Yeah, I have to check in my ears every week, you know. You know, Pina Colada, you know, so I have to just show it out there. So, yeah, man, thanks for the support again, people. Rushy there in a Rushies kitchen and Trudy a sign out with a glass in her hand and she'll come back for the rest for more. But we have more sides there, so my own. Rushies kitchen there, big bad kitchen. We're there, we sign out. Gone.